Hi friends. Now when you are in Leh Ladakh, then visit to Nubra Valley and Pangong becomes almost mandatory. And we did not want to miss this opportunity. So here we are, the trio, that's Arun, Sham and me, off to Nubra Valley from Leh, where we intend to stay overnight and then drive to Pangong the day after and also stay one night in Pangong. Now, in my video, I will cover the following. That's one, the route, which is Leh, Nubra, Pangong, and back to Leh. Two, the weather. Three, where to stay. Four, the cost of transport. Five, the cost of accommodation. Six, AMS, that's altitude mountain sickness. Six, the permits. And seven, what not to miss during the drive. So let's move on. Our journey actually started from Srinagar, where we commenced after staying 2 nights in the night in the houseboat in Nagin Lake, and then we took the SUV via road and moved on to Kargil, where we stayed overnight, which was a gradual ascent and which also helped us in acclimatization. And then from Kargil, we moved on to Leh, and in spite of being acclimatized to some extent, we stayed for 2 nights to get further acclimatized before we move on to Nubra Valley and Pangong. Because to go to Nubra Valley, one has to pass this around 18,000 feet above sea level, the Khardung Pass. So we were all set, but AMS, altitude mountain sickness, can happen to anybody anytime, and we were prepared just in case. I had taken with me homeopathic pills called the coca, which I did take 3 times when I was feeling slightly discomfort on our way from Leh to Manali after we were coming down from Baralacha. Anyway, so let's move on and stick to Leh to Nubra. Now, the route which we took from Leh to Nubra was through the Khardungla Pass and then Diskit, and then it was Nubra Valley. While in Leh, we negotiated to take a Mahindra Xylo for the three of us, the SUV, for a total amount of 25,000 rupees, which included one night stay in Nubra, one night stay in Pangong, that is Leh, Nubra, Pangong, and then back to Leh, which included lodging, boarding, and also the permits. The breakdown of 25,500 rupees was 18,000 for the transportation, 6,000 for the lodging and breakfast and dinner at Nubra and Pangong, and 1,500 for the three permits for us. The weather was pretty okay in the sense that we went in July, and that's the first week of July. I was actually wearing just a t-shirt, but I was prepared with other things so that in case it's needed, we can shelter ourselves. But surprisingly, during the daytime it was pretty warm. Even at Nubra Valley, even at Khardung Pass, which you will see me wearing just a t-shirt. And but it was pretty cold in Pangong because of the breeze. There the temperature was about 4 degrees Celsius. While in Nubra the temperature was just pleasant. We were just wearing our normal t-shirt and jeans. Like an oasis amidst the cold desert, Hunder sand dunes are beautiful beyond imagination once you are there. Located at an altitude of 4,000 meters, the desert is cut across by a gentle stream and the beautiful countryside with such stunning landscapes against the backdrop of snow-clad mountains. The Hunder sand dunes looks nothing less than a fairy world, really. Believe me. Beyond its beauty, the dunes are home to the Bactrian camels, the major key players during the ancient silk routes, and Pashmina goats.
Wow.
The tourists can also go on a safari on the Bactrian camel that will take them back to the time when the trade was quite prominent within Central Asia and to the remote villages of Hunder.
এরকম মাছ হচ্ছে এই ওখানে ওইদিকে চল কম জল আছে
Wow, beautiful,
জলের মধ্যে পায়ে
beautiful,
Now back here. Flow of the water.
beautiful.
ऐसा पानी कहाँ मिलता है?
ওই দিক থেকে জল কম ছিল
Lovely. One can even hire the ATV rides, that's the all-terrain vehicle rides, which cost about 1,000 rupees for a kilometer ride in this beautiful white desert of Hunder. We camped overnight at the Nubra Valley, and it was an experience because having done the sand dunes and staying in the tents, but staying in the desert mountain was a different experience.
There's a small patio. Okay. Okay, we are three of us, so here.
Oh, lovely.
Lovely, lovely. Nice. He's already done the big job. How's the bathroom?
Oh, lovely. Excellent.
Okay. I can't see his face. Say hello. There you are. Okay. This is the bathroom. We gotta be careful so that we don't trip. Oh, they have a dressing room, dressing type of a thing. Okay, that's fine.
This was the first
Okay.
2010 में we had bought 2 tents like these. पहले लगाए थे ना.
Next to our tent at the backside is a small running stream of the river Shoik. Not this one. This is a small canal type of a thing. So let's see. Beautiful. It's nice, good wilderness around the camp area, adjoining the mountains, full of greenery, and there's some activity for people who like to go in for a volleyball. Before it gets dark, we just thought of sitting down by the stream for some time. Then we'll just depart to our tent. Beautiful wildflowers, lovely pink color. Wow, beauty, what a beauty. Oh, they have some nice no, at least not like rose but something else. So that's the running stream. Cute, I like it. The flow is nice, and then people, those who are adventurous, can actually walk through. And there you are, and you can see. Whoa, lovely, lovely, lovely. Maybe we can catch a trout. Turn it around. Here, Arun ji, and in the back is Sham. And then again, wow, lovely, lovely, lovely. So we can drink this water.